I'm going to walk you through the steps again of Screencastify. So you are going to go ahead to Screencastify. Okay. And you are going to do add to Chrome. It's free. It's going to bring me to the Chrome web store. And you are going to add to Chrome. And then you're going to click on add extension. And what's going to happen is you are going to get a little download down here, but that doesn't really matter. You're going to get up here there we go, the little pink arrow, the Screencastify arrow. Okay, so the first time I go to use it, I'm just going to go here. The first time it's going to say sign in with Google. And I'm going to click on automatically save videos to Google Drive. So I'm going to sign in with Google. And this is another Gmail account I have. And so I'm automatically giving my camera and microphone, and I already want to use drawing and annotations. I could click off that, but that's not the point of this tool. So next, and then allow. And then allow. So I just gave permission for my video camera, for my microphone, everything. So yay, I'm all in. Beautiful. Okay. So now we can do the Go Unlimited. And what you can do is you can go to Get Started here. Actually, I'm going to go back one because there was a sliding here. Show educational discounts. Get Started. And then redeem coupon, and I can do over here cast _ COVID. Okay. And activate license, and it says total due 0. There we go. So your subscription is now active. We've emailed you a receipt, and we've already installed the extension. So beautiful. So now I have all those unlimited features at least through the end of April. Without unlimited features, I can record up to 5 minutes, and I have all of those sharing capabilities and a couple of the editing options. So